Okay, guys, so finally we are into our practice lab 203 manage device enrollment into Intune. So finally we are hitting that Intune part now. So in this lab, you prepare for device management using Microsoft Intune by reviewing and assigning licenses, configuring Windows automatic enrollment, and configuring enrollment restrictions. So let's get started. The prerequisites: managing identities in Entra, synchronizing identities, which we have already done. So let's start with our scenario. You need to prepare a device management using Microsoft Intune. First of all, you need to ensure that users are assigned appropriate licenses for device management. As a verification test, you will assign Aaron Nichols the required licenses. You also need to ensure that any Windows device that is joined or registered to Enter ID will automatically be enrolled into Intune. Okay, you have also been asked to ensure that members of the sales group are restricted from enrolling personal Android devices into Intune, and that the enrollment device limit is increased to 10 devices. Finally, you need to configure Alan DeYoung as a device enrollment manager to allow him to enroll 1000 devices. Okay, guys, so this is our task one. I need to move to our server one, log in as the Contoso admin, which I've already done. And for this one, I'll need to log on to our M365 admin center, I believe. Yeah, admin.microsoft.com login. This is our admin portal. And from here, I'll need to navigate to our users and active users. Okay, let me first log into this. So here I am, logged in as our main admin account here. So that's why it's showing mod administrator. Go to active users and I can see Aaron Nichols. Open his profile, and the licenses part we'll need to check. And if the select location field is not populated, select the location from the drop down. Okay. So for this one, I'll need to assign enterprise mobility and security E5 and new teams. This is done. Save changes. Changes have been changed. I can close it. And here starts our task two: enable Windows automatic enrollment into Intune. All right. L- Finally, we are opening the Intune portal. So far, we were only working with the Entra thing, managing identities, synchronizing, and those kind of activities. This is how the Intune admin portal will look like, guys. And on this page, I'll go to the devices, device onboarding, and enrollment. So enrollment, this is the option, and Windows automatic enrollment. So I'll open that. On the MDM user scope, select all, and then save. So this is the setting I'll need to change, and then click on save. So that's it. So by performing this step, You enabled automatic enrollment into Intune for any user that performs an enter join or enter registration from a Windows device. All right. So this is done, and for the task tree, guys, we'll continue it in our next video.